So among us, there is I think Namita Lobo has joined. So she is Mrs. Namita Lobo is the Chief Operating Officer of IIT Bombay Alumni Association, and whenever we need any help, any suggestions regarding any of the procedures or any help is required for any event related thing, anything, Namita is always there. Whatever time, she helps wholeheartedly to all the chapters every time. So I will ask Namita, request Namita to say a few words. Yeah, about how you are feeling after coming to this cultural evening and in general. Yes.
For a moment, I was on unmute. I thought I had to beg you in my sign language to unmute me, but yeah, I hope you guys can hear me now. Okay.
Yes.
So thank you very much for that introduction, Ustad. My name is Namita, and I have been with IIT Bombay Alumni Association for the last 8 years. This is my ninth year, and like Utsav said, it's my job profile to connect with all the chapters and help them out with whatever events you guys come up with, because one of our mandates of IIT Bombay, one of the mandates of IIT Bombay Alumni Association is to connect with chapters for engagement. So basically, we are more into engagement than fundraising. Fundraising is done by the institute, but we are the engagement body of the institute. Having said that, we are a separate legal entity. We are not a part of the institute system. We work as a Section 8 company, a separate legal entity. You all will be surprised that this place is actually supported by you all. So the funding comes from you guys. Whatever you pay as life membership has built up as a corpus for us, and that is where our salaries come from. The interest of this corpus pays our salaries. So this must be a revelation for most of you, because we are not funded by any other organization or the institute. You guys are the one who are funding us. So thank you very much for this privilege to speak to you all. And this is the first time I see a collaboration, and it feels so good that we have taken all the chapter activities to the next level. Thank you very much. And on behalf of Devesh has sent a message because he's right now in the US. He's the CEO of IIT Bombay Alumni Association, and we work together. He sent a message. I would like to read out the message for you all. David says that he really wishes he could have joined today's event, but he's traveling right now, and the time wasn't the best for him because of the time zone. But he sends his best wishes and congratulations to Bangalore and Chennai chapters for their cult team and their cult team for this joint collaboration. He hopes to join the next time. I'm sure he'll join the next time. So thank you so much and have fun. I won't be in between you and your fun. Thank you.
I think thank you. Thanks a lot, Namita, for and Devesh both. Also, he's not there, but thank you for both of your kind words, inspiring words, and the information we got. So now I will directly go into the performances. So for the first performance of the evening, I would like to call Saurabh Bose from Bangalore chapter. So he will be our first performer. Saurabh, over to you. Yes.
Thank you, Utsap. So first of all, I really thank the IITB Bangalore chapter for having me and giving me this opportunity to perform in front of all of you. And so now moving directly to the composition that I'm going to present today. It's a beautiful composition. I think most of you would have heard it already. It's based in Rag Yaman, and now Rag Yaman is a evening raga, and this composition blends beautifully with the mood of the raga. So I hope I can present it well to you. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Utsap, can you give me just a quick thumbs up for the sound check? Thank you very much. Over to you, Utsav.
What a mesmerizing performance. Yeah, I think people are muted, so they cannot. It's a beautiful, beautiful performance by Saurabh. Thank you. And moving on to the next performance is from Chennai chapter by Mr. Shiva Kumar Rumugam sir. So yeah, a big clap for him. Shiva Kumar sir, please. Over to you.
Namaste everyone. Good evening, IIT alumni members. So my name is Shiv Kumar. I belong to 1990 batch of Earth Science Department. I'm basically an environmental geologist. I'm running a company called EGSS since 2009. I'm implementing groundwater conservation projects all over India. So it gives me a lot of satisfaction. And I'll be posting a lot of messages in IIT alumni group often. So now I'll start with a song in Sadma. In Tamil, it's called Moondram Prai. So the song is same for both, in Tamil and Hindi.
Wonderful performance, sir. Wonderful performance.
Thank you.
Awesome, mind blowing.
Thank you.
Yeah. So moving on to the next performance is from Bangalore chapter by famous YouTuber as well as IITB alumnus, Mr. Shubhankit Rathore. So welcome, Shubhankit. Over to you.
Thank you, Utsav. Hello, everyone. I hope everyone is enjoying the evening. So, instead of much talking, I'll directly move on to my song. So, the first song that I'll be performing is "Perfect" by Ed Sheeran. You must all have heard the song. So, let's hear it. I found a love for me, darling, just dive right in, follow my lead. I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were the someone waiting for me, 'cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time, darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath. You heard it, darling, you look perfect tonight. Thank you. I hope you all enjoyed. So the next song is Hindi song from the movie Badlapur, and it's the song Jeena Jeena. I think you must all have heard it. So let's hear it again. दहलीज पे मेरे दिल की जो रखे है तूने कदम, तेरे नाम पे मेरी जिंदगी लिख दी मेरे हमदम। हमदम, हाँ सीखा मैंने जीना जीना कैसे जीना, हाँ सीखा मैंने जीना मेरे हमदम, ना सीखा कभी जीना जीना कैसे जीना, ना सीखा जीना तेरे बिना हमदम। हे सच्ची सी है तारीफें दिल से जो मैंने करी है, जो तू मिला तो सजी है दुनिया मेरी हमदम, हो आसमां मिला ज़मीं को मेरी, आधे आधे पूरे हैं हम, तेरे नाम पे मेरी जिंदगी लिख दी मेरे हमदम, हाँ सीखा मैंने जीना जीना कैसे जीना, हाँ सीखा मैंने जीना मेरे हमदम, ना सीखा कभी जीना जीना कैसे जीना, ना सीखा जीना तेरे बिना हमदम। हे Thank you everyone. I hope you all enjoyed it.
It was soulful. It was so melodious. Yeah, I think
Thank you.
everyone would have enjoyed. Super. Thanks a lot. So now I would like to invite Ramesh Subramaniam sir from Chennai chapter president, to say a few words, to share your thoughts about our collaborations and in general about this IITBA. We would like to know from you. So over to you, sir. Yeah, I think unmute Ramesh sir, Ramesh Subramanian sir, so that Vidyut or Pramod, anyone.
Yeah, he can unmute, and we have also enabled that feature.
Okay.
Can you accept the request to unmute, sir?
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yes, we can hear you.
Hello, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's very nice to have this program today, and the first of our collaborative efforts. I see the immediate difference both in the quality of the program and the organization, thanks to all the people who helped put this program together. All of us have acquired very good skills through our training in IIT and elsewhere. And this forum could really help us share some of these experiences which are relevant to the other members. And therefore, the collaboration is very important. And I would encourage us to keep going further on this and have more events and collaborative meetings and sharing of information which can be useful for our own learning as well as in some way to help society. I'm really grateful to the organizers, Smita and Shiva and Nagaraj and all the others who put together this program. And I hope we can do more programs on an all-India basis also sometime. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot for your inspiring and encouraging words, which will help us more collaborating in future. So next, I'll like to invite Brajesh from Chennai chapter. So Brajesh writes his own poems, and Brajesh Dev Advani is known as Dev Scribbles, his pen name. So he will share his own written poem, Bandish Bandits, with us. Over to you, Brajesh.
Thank you, Utsa. Hello everyone. So without any delay, let me introduce you to the poem, which is based on a recently released musical web series named Bandish Bandits. I use around 6 stanzas to capture the vivid feelings showcased by the main characters, the boy Radhe and the girl Tamanna. In first 2 stanzas, I try to capture Radhe's keen passion to learn classical music and his initial struggle to get into gharana of his grandfather. The next two stanzas are about the start of Radhe's one-sided love with Tamanna to the point they both fall for each other. Fifth stanza is about Radhe's win in the musical competition. Same time he struggled to get hold of himself after his breakup with Tamanna. And the last stanza, the end, is about the last scene of the web series, that is the night of departure of the two lovebirds. I hope you will enjoy this musical and love journey with me. So here I present Bandish Bandits. ये कैसी है बंदिश खुद की खुद से, ये कैसी है बंदिश खुद की खुद से, लौ की तरह जल रही हैं ख्वाहिशें, लौ की तरह जल रही हैं ख्वाहिशें, किए हर पहर रियाज, किए हर पहर रियाज अपने स्वरों की, टूटे जो रूबरू हुए अपने ही गूंज से, टूटे जो रूबरू हुए अपने ही गूंज से। ये कैसी है बंदिश इस जिंदगी से, ये कैसी है बंदिश इस जिंदगी से, ना ही रही सूझबूझ, ना ही रही सूझबूझ, ना ही कोई इल्तिजा, लिए बस अरमानों से सजे घराने की आरज़ू, लिए बस अरमानों से सजे घराने की आरज़ू, हुए दफन हम अपने ही बनाए दायरों में, हुए दफन हम अपने ही बनाए दायरों में। ये कैसी है बंदिश प्यार के संगीत से, ये कैसी है बंदिश प्यार के संगीत से, कि जुड़ने लगे उनके गीत से हर अल्फाज मेरे, कि जुड़ने लगे उनके गीत से हर अल्फाज मेरे, बनाए लाख बहाने नैन मेरे उन्हें देखने, हर भाव श्रृंगार हुए देख झलक साजन के। ये कैसी है बंदिश उल्फत की डोर से, ये कैसी है बंदिश उल्फत की डोर से, खबर क्यों रहने लगी हर सांस की, खबर क्यों रहने लगी हर सांस की, उस एहसास को बर्खास्त कैसे करूं, बने लफ्ज जो उनके दिल की हर हरकत से, बने लफ्ज जो उनके दिल की हर हरकत से। ये कैसी है बंदिश, ये कैसी है बंदिश मुझे मोर पिया से, रुस्वा हुई खुशी जो फिर कबीरा हुए, रुस्वा हुई खुशी जो फिर कबीरा हुए, मिल गए हैं सितारे कई इस बदन को, पर रूह है निंदिया खोए उनकी याद में, पर रूह है निंदिया खोए उनकी याद में। ये कैसी है बंदिश शब-ए फुरकत से, ये कैसी है बंदिश शब-ए फुरकत से, जियारा घबराए उनके रूठ जाने से, जियारा घबराए उनके रूठ जाने से, ऐसी ठेस न लागे मोरे पिया के कभी, ऐसी ठेस न लागे मोरे पिया के कभी।
कच्चे धागे में बंधा चला ये, ऐसे जैसे कोई ऐसे जैसे कोई दीवाना, ऐसे जैसे कोई दीवाना, मैंने नहीं जाना तूने नहीं जाना, तेरे मेरे बीच में कैसा है ये बंधन अनजाना। नींद ना आए मुझे, चैन ना आए, नींद न आए मुझे, चैन न आए, लाख चाहता हूँ करूँ रोक न जाए, सपनों में तेरा, ओ सपनों में तेरा आना जाना, सपनों में तेरा आना जाना, मैंने नहीं जाना, तूने नहीं जाना, तेरे मेरे बीच में कैसा है ये बंधन अनजाना। Thank you. I think there was some sound problem, sound quality problem. I started getting messages. Please bear with me. I put my maximum volume.
Yeah, yeah,
Hopefully,
yeah. I think we have
yes, the other
everything is
performers.
solved. Yeah, but it was a great tribute to SP Balasubramaniam ji. May his soul rest in peace. That's what he had given us lots of beautiful compositions. Thank you, sir. Moving on to the next performer is Mr. Nandakumar Karale from Bangalore chapter, and he will be singing, but the instrument is slightly different. Let's hear it from him. Over to you, Nandakumar. Please unmute Nandakumar, sir.
Yeah, namaskar to everyone. Audible now?
Yes, yes, audible.
Okay. So I belong to the BTech Mechanical Batch 97, Hostel 7. I'll be whistling a medley of 3 Hindi film songs, and I hope everybody likes it. Is it audible still, or Utsav?
Your voice is audible, but that time it was not. It was low. The voice was sound was low.
Okay. Voice is okay. Whistle is not.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
On the original sound, maybe you can turn on the original sound. If yeah. What a performance! What a performance! I mean, we are spellbound. Yeah, I mean, beautiful, beautiful performance. Yes. So going to the next segment, we have a surprise performance here. So I would like to invite Spita Gupta, Dr. Spita Gupta from Bangalore chapter. She is the president of Bangalore chapter, and she writes poems, and she will recite her own poems, quite a couple of her own poems now. So please unmute Spita. Spita, are you able to talk now? Spita, you there?
I am.
Pramod, Bidut.
I don't see Smita in the list. Is she there? Just let me check quickly. But all the participants have the option to unmute themselves when they want right now. But I don't see Smita in the list. Can we quickly check?
Just check it out. I think.
No, I don't
Not
see
there.
her.
Okay, okay. So next we'll move on. I think net issue something. Yeah. So then we'll move on to the next segment. So I will invite Vidyut Datta, the Vice President of Bangalore chapter, to come forward and say a few words regarding this collaboration as well as the IITBA. I think. Yeah. Over to you.
Thank you so much, Utsav. This is such a wonderful event where two different chapters from different parts of the country, they have come together, and such a wonderful amalgamation of all the performers and having different skill sets, such unique skill sets. And it's really awesome. And during this lockdown, it's very much needed. Such events really help us bond together. And because right now we are locked inside our homes, so somewhere we feel the environment to be very monotonous. This cultural performances and all these events which both the chapter teams have come together and organized for us. This is really wonderful, refreshing. The Bangalore chapter, the cultural track of the Bangalore chapter has a record of organizing really awesome events. And over the past 1 year, there were multiple different events which I was a part of. There was a event Music for a Cause, which was the purpose was to support the fundraising campaign which IITBA had organized all across the chapters. So it was a very wonderful initiative where different musicians, they came together and they sang for a cause. The purpose was to promote the activity where we try to do something for the people who are affected by the Amphan natural calamity. We also had a jamming session where all the musicians, they met for the first time. I remember all this Aniruddha, Shubhankit and everyone. So that was the very first time when they came together and we tried collaboration on this online Zoom platform. We also had a Independence Day event. I hope many of you might have seen the link which was done. It was a wonderful collaboration of all the musicians. There was a video which was published live on YouTube. And I really look forward that even other chapters we can come together and we can organize such events, because really it's a wonderful evening and an evening to remember. I hand it over back to Utsav, and let's hope we can organize more such awesome events with the collaboration of all the chapters. So this was Bangalore and Chennai. Next time, let's have more number of chapters. We'll have more number of performances, more number of people with such unique skill sets, like what we saw from Nandakumar sir. Like that, there'll be many such performances. And yeah, with this, back to Utsav for taking the rest of the event forward. Thank you, Utsav.
Thanks a lot, Vidyut. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And by the way, I should tell Vidyut was one of the most instrumental people who gave us more of courage and encouragement to start with. Vidyut and Spita from our chapter when we started. And that's how it is here. We are collaborating, and it's a very good performance collaboration with each chapter. Moving on to the next performance. Again, Mr. Shiva Kumar sir is back with his second number. So we'll go back to him. Yeah. Over to you, sir. Shiva Kumar sir, yeah. Are you there?
Yeah, I think he's unmuted now. Yeah.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah.
Please, yeah, go ahead.
So I'll be playing a song from Mishayat to Nahi. Hope the track, supports, the Zoom supports the track.
Wow. Fantabulous. Fantastic. Amazing. Big claps from audience. Yeah, lots of claps are coming. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. So, yeah. So moving to the next performance from Bangalore chapter, Dr. Aniruddha Lakshmi Narasimhan. He's the rock star. He's the rock star of our group. And yeah, over to you, Aniruddha.
Hello, everybody. So I'm from Hostel 6, 2005 batch, PhD, School of Biosciences and Bioengineering. So I would like to sing this song called as Bhigi Bhigi. So it's a relatively old song from the movie Gangster.
भीगी भीगी सी रातें, भीगी भीगी यादें, भीगी भीगी बातें, भीगी भीगी आंखों में कैसी नमी है। हाँ 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 हाँ, सपनों का साया पलकों पे आया, पल में हंसाया, पल में रुलाया, फिर भी ये कैसी नमी है। हाँ हाँ ना जाने कोई कैसे है ये जिंदगानी, जिंदगानी हमारी अधूरी कहानी। ना जाने कोई कैसी है ये जिंदगानी, जिंदगानी हमारी अधूरी कहानी। आधी आधी जागी, आधी आधी सोई, आंखें ये तेरी तो लगता है रोई, लेकर के नाम हमारा। टूटा टूटा रब, छूटा छूटा सब, टूटा टूटा दिल तेरे बिना अब, लेकर के नाम हमारा। ना जाने कोई कैसी है ये जिंदगानी, जिंदगानी हमारी अधूरी कहानी। ना जाने कोई कैसी है ये जिंदगानी, जिंदगानी हमारी अधूरी कहानी। भीगी भीगी सी रातें, भीगी भीगी यादें, भीगी भीगी बातें, भीगी भीगी आंखों में कैसी नमी है। सपनों का साया पलकों पे आया, पल में हंसाया, पल में रुलाया, फिर भी ये कैसी कमी है। Thank you.
It was rocking. It was absolutely rocking. Anirudh, thanks a lot for this awesome performance. The stage is set on fire. Yeah, amazing. So next, I think as many people have personally messaged me also, as Spita's network problem was there. So yeah, the audience demand. So Spita, you are there. If unmute her. So next performance, I'd like to have Spita, if she is there.
Yeah, she is there and she is unmuted.
Yeah, Spita, please, over to you. We can't hear you. Hello. Smita, we can't hear you. Hello, Smita. You unmute yourself.
She's unmuted, but her audio is not connected.
Hi, Smita. Hello. Yeah, we can see you. Please unmute you.
Yeah. Smita, can you
Just
accept the
spotlight on.
request to unmute?
Spotlight on. Yeah.
You are spotlighted now.
Yeah. Smita, hi. I think it's frozen. Okay.
I think she has some network issues.
Network issue, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So okay. So we'll move on to the next one, next performance. Okay. We'll audience, please have patience. We'll bring her back. Yeah, sure. Give us some time. Okay. Yeah, she's back. Okay. I think. No, I think some issue is there. Vidut, yeah, we'll moving to the next segment. So already like yeah. So Nagarajan sir is back with his second performance. Yes. So
Okay.
Nagarajan.
Okay, guys, I'm back. Hopefully, you don't have a audio quality issue in this. Okay, this song is from the movie Andaz, a retro number again, and this time it's a peppy number, and the song is Zindagi Ek Safar by Kishore Kumar. जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। अरे उड़ले उड़ले हो, 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 उड़ले उड़ले हो। चलना है आगे आसमानों से, बढ़ना है आगे हर चांद तारों से। चलना है आगे आसमानों से, बढ़ना है आगे पीछे रह जाएगा ये जमाना। यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। हाँ, जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। अरे उड़ले उड़ले हो, 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 उड़ले उड़ले हो। हंसते गाते जहाँ से गुजर, दुनिया की तू परवाह न कर। हंसते गाते जगह से गुजर, दुनिया की तू परवाह न कर। मुस्कुराते हुए दिन बिताना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। जिंदगी एक सफर सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। अरे उड़ले उड़ले हो, 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 उड़ले उड़ले हो। मौत आनी है आएगी एक दिन, जान जानी है जाएगी एक दिन, अरे मौत आनी है आएगी एक दिन, जान जानी है जाएगी एक दिन, ऐसी बातों से क्या घबराना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना, जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना, अरे उड़ले उड़ले हो, उड़ले उड़ले हो, ए उड़ले उड़ले हो, उड़ले उड़ले हो, ए उड़ले उड़ले हो, उड़ले उड़ले हो, ए उड़ले उड़ले हो, उड़ले उड़ले हो. Thank you.
That was a melodious performance, and I would like to say the song is very, relevant today. I mean, we don't know in this COVID times where we will be. We don't know. So, yeah, it was a very, very nice song. Moving on to the next segment is Kshitij Gupta from Bangalore chapter. So, Kshitij, over to you. Yeah, sure. Unmute him. Yeah.
Yeah, hi everyone. So can you hear me, guys? Nice. So I am I passed out from IIT Bombay in 2014. I completed my masters in corrosion engineering, and currently I'm working in Airbus. And the music piece that I'm about to play is composed by YouTuber. So without any further ado, let's get started. Thank you, guys.
Wow. Wow. I mean, thank you. He's one of our another rockstar of the Bangalore chapter. Thank you, Kshitij, for your wonderful performance. Yeah. So moving on to the next performance is Shiva Kumar sir from Chennai chapter. Yeah. So it will be his last song of the evening. Okay. So yeah, please hear him out. Go ahead, sir. Hello, is there any audio issue?
Sir, you can accept the request to unmute yourself. Yeah.
Thanks for the opportunity once again. So I'll be playing this song, Mere Sapno Ki Rani Kapoor. So hope again Zoom supports.
took us to the beautiful Bollywood era of that time, like 60s, 70s, that time. And we were like, those movie scenes were coming in front of our eyes. Yeah, it was beautiful. It was really amazing to have you, Shiva Kumar sir, to perform with along with us. It was really a privilege. Thank you.
Yeah, thank
Yeah,
you.
yeah. So next, I think many of us are
I
like
think
Spita's poem. Many people have pinged me also. So I think the recorded one Spita has sent, as she is having network issue. So yeah, I think Vidut will play that. Vidut, please start.
Okay.
Yes.
Let me know if it is audible once I start.
Hello, this is Smita,
Yes.
an
Audible.
IIT Bombay alumnus in Bangalore chapter. I have been writing poems in English and Hindi for about 20 years now. I would like to recite a good poem I wrote many years ago, about 20 years ago. It's entitled The Beauty of Nature. The clear, sparkling sky as the rain descends urges me to have a heart as shining and pure. The clear, sparkling sky as the rain descends urges me to have a heart as shining and pure. With the merrily swaying Ashoka trees, my heart dances filled with pleasures galore. The splattering raindrops, the cloudy skies, the children happily screaming about, urge me to come out of my cocoon, and dancing cheerfully rules to flout. The dancing leaves urge me to give them company. Nature's music, so melodious, sounds excellent in synchrony. Oh, how beautiful is the Lord's creation, like a work of art, flawless, marvelous, exemplifying perfection. Thank you.
Wow. I mean, if there was no network issues, I think live it would have been, we could have heard many more recitation from Smita. So thank you, Smita, for sending us this poem. And it was really nice to hear what you have written on your own 20 years back. Thanks a lot. Uh, so the last performance of the day, of the evening, is here. We have almost 6:15 now. So last performance of the day, ladies and gentlemen, by Nagarajan sir from Chennai chapter. Nagarajan sir, please go ahead with your performance. Thank you. Sir, you are there, right? Yeah.
Sir, you can unmute yourself now.
You can, yeah.
If you can accept the request to unmute. Can you try unmuting now, sir, once more? I don't see him in front of the camera now. Sir, can you try to unmute yourself? You will see a request asking you to unmute. Yeah, perfect. Yeah.
The song is from the movie Roja, music by A.R. Rahman. And you know who the singer is? காதல் ரோஜாவே எங்கே நீ எங்கே கண்ணீர் வழியுதடி கண்ணே காதல் ரோஜாவே எங்கே நீ எங்கே கண்ணீர் வழியுதடி கண்ணே கண்ணுக்குள் நீதான் கண்ணீரில் நீதான் கண்மூடி பார்த்தால் நெஞ்சுக்குள் நீதான் என்னானதோ ஏதானதோ சொல் சொல் காதல் ரோஜாவே எங்கே நீ எங்கே கண்ணீர் வழியுதடி கண்ணே தென்றல் என்னை தீண்டினால் சேலை தீண்டும் ஞாபகம் சின்ன பூக்கள் பூக்கையில் தேகம் பார்த்த ஞாபகம் வெள்ளியோடை தீண்டினால் சொன்ன வார்த்தை ஞாபகம் மேகம் ரெண்டு சேர்கையில் மோகம் கொண்ட ஞாபகம் வாயில்லாமல் போனால் வார்த்தை இல்லை பெண்ணே நீ இல்லாமல் போனால் வாழ்க்கை இல்லை கண்ணே முன்னூறுதான் முத்தங்களா சொல் சொல் காதல் ரோஜாவே எங்கே நீ எங்கே கண்ணீர் வழியுதடி கண்ணே கண்ணுக்குள் நீதான் கண்ணீரில் நீதான் கண்மூடி பார்த்தால் நெஞ்சுக்குள் நீதான் என்னானதோ ஏதானதோ சொல் சொல் Thank you much.
Wow, that's whoa, superb. We think and a big round of applause for Nagarajan sir for wonderful this song. Yeah, I think this is amazing. I think some of okay. So one more thing is a couple of more requests for Smita's poem is coming up. So yeah, one more request came up to me also. I think we can play one last one for poem written by Smita Vidutya.
Hello, this is Smita, an IIT Bombay alumnus in Bangalore chapter. I would like to recite an inspirational poem I wrote in Hindi about 20 years ago. It's entitled Vishwas और लगन। नन्हा पक्षी खुले आकाश में भरता उड़ान, नन्हा पक्षी खुले आकाश में भरता उड़ान, अचानक मेरे कक्ष में उसका हुआ आगमन। उड़ा वह ज्यों ही एक छोर से, टकराया जाकर सम्मुख दीवार से। चोट लगी, निराश हो वापस लौटा, अपनी पूरी सामर्थ्य बटोर मारा उसने एक और झपट्टा। एक बार वह टकराया जाली से, मैं घबरा कर बोली अपनी आली से, सखी द्वार तो है कब से खुला, पर शायद इस अभागे के मन का द्वार ही अभी न खुला। कुछ देर बाद उठा, साहस जुटा, जा बैठा पंखे के ऊपर, देखा ध्यान से चारों ओर, सोचा कैसे जाऊं मैं बाहर। सहसा उड़ा वह सही दिशा में, स्वागत किया सहर्ष खुली हवा ने। स्वजनों से हुआ पुनर्मिलन, माँ ने प्रेम पूर्वक किया आलिंगन। नन्हा पक्षी वयस्क मानव, स्थिति में इनकी अंतर न अधिक। नन्हा पक्षी वयस्क मानव, स्थिति में इनकी अंतर न अधिक। निराशा की स्वनिर्मित कोठरी में बेचैन रहता मनुष्य रात और दिन। मन में अंधकार भर, दिल में हार मान कर रोता अपनी तकदीर पर उजाले की किरण उसे न आती नजर। आशा निराशा में चलता द्वंद, मन के कपाट उसने किए बंद, खुले विचारों पर लगाया प्रतिबंध, निराशा के आने पर न कोई निषेध। कौन समझाए रे मूर्ख मानव तुझे, मन से निराशा को निकाल तू फेंक। शत्रु को सिर पर चढ़ाकर भी क्या सफलता किसी ने पाई है, मित्र से बैर कर किसी ने भी क्या जीत की खुशी मनाई है। उठो उठो जागो मानव, आशा से ना तुम बैर करो, निराशा को अपना रिपू जान, आगे की तुम खैर करो। मन की आंखें खोल के देखो, उजियारा ही छाया है, काली अंधेरी रात के बाद सदा सुंदर सवेरा आया है। धन्यवाद।
That was Smita. I think I don't know Smita why she didn't tell us that she wrote this kind of poems. We could have included her in our earlier programs also. It was really nice. I think Anirudh is trying to say something. Just unmute Anirudh once. He's trying to say something, I think.
Rather, I'd like to sing something. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear with you. Happy birthday to you.
So
happy birthday.
Amazing. Happy
Thanks
birthday,
a lot.
Vidyut.
Thank you so much, Aniruddha. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much.
So whoever don't know, today is Vidyut Datta's birthday, and we planned a surprise for him in this event. So yeah, this is it. And last but not the least, Nagarajan sir, please request Nagarajan sir to please give the vote of thanks and end this program. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm unmuting myself for the vote of thanks. Thank you so much. It looks, again, I'm telling you that this is a family program for me, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. I'm telling you from the bottom of my heart. And a lot of young friends, a lot of young talents. The first time when I, entered into this group, I actually felt like a prehistoric animal, a kind of a dinosaur entering into a forest where, you have little deers and beautiful, cute animals, and suddenly, an old guy coming in. But certainly, I never felt that, and in fact, thanks to you all, I feel 20 years younger now. Thanks to Chapter Bangalore. And thanks to Shivakumar and the Chennai alumni. Okay. The vote of thanks. I'm Nagarajan Sundaram. I'm the cultural track coordinator for Chennai chapter. And on behalf of the executive committee of both Bangalore and Chennai chapters, I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the people who have actually contributed to this beautiful, Sangamam. Sangamam is basically, a combination of two great entities. It could be a river, it could be anything. So I wish even the two governments of Tamil Nadu and Karnataka start, behaving like this and become, more cordial. I would like to thank IIT BAA for giving us a great platform to connect with fellow alum for our alma mater. I extend my sincere thanks to Namita Lobo, COO IIT BAA, for taking time in her schedule and to give the opening remarks and gracing the occasion with her presence. We also thank Devesh Katu, CEO, IIT Bombay Alumni Association, who could be present for the event as he is based in US at this time. And it was so thoughtful on his part to send a wonderful message to all of us. I would like to thank Mr. Ramesh Subramaniam and Dr. Smita Gupta, the chapter president of Chennai, Bangalore chapters respectively, for taking the initiative to bring the two chapters together and seeking consent from their executive committees. Thanks to Shivakumar, EC member, Chennai chapter, for giving this great idea early in August. I express my gratitude to all the wonderful artists and performers from Bangalore. The rocking performance of most of them, I mean, even people went to the extent of explaining the rag, Yemen. I mean, I was quite thrilled about it. And Chennai chapters for displaying their varied talent and entertaining us this evening. Thanks a ton for the cool artists from Chennai chapter for this amazing performance and making us groove to the tunes. Brajesh for reciting that beautiful poetry with that music. I'm sure next time Smita should also add a little bit of music to her. Her voice itself is like a music. So and Nagaraj and singing Hindi songs. Shivakumar for playing the melody tracks on his keyboard. He did those beautiful numbers of the Rajesh Khanna movies. I felt like traveling in the train in that. Thanks so much to the cool artists from Bangalore chapter for making us smile. Aniruddha Lakshmanan, a rock star, with his talented singing accompanied by playing guitar on his own. Thanks to him, he intervened and he even tried helping us to get our audio quality right. We had a special Zoom call with him. Thanks Aniruddha for all that and that beautiful video you made with you and me. And of course, Smita, a wonderful promo for this event. And we would like to thank the organizing team, Aniruddha, Utsav, who represented Bangalore, Shiva and Nagaraj, again me, in Chennai. And we would like to thank Aniruddha for his idea to do a joint promotional video in Kannada, which I told you. And also taking time for his efforts to help the artists in both the chapters. And his patience is phenomenal with all of us. And the sound quality during the Zoom dry run was a problem, and he helped us fix it. And of course, we take this opportunity again to thank the artists from both the chapters. And the special appreciation goes to Utsav Mukherjee, Cultural Track Coordinator Bangalore, for his coordinating efforts with Bangalore and Chennai. We would have had multiple conversations and chats, for designing this event poster and registration form, for finalizing the event agenda in consultation with artists, for organizing the Zoom drive run. And it took a lot of time and patient practice, and we did a lot of practice on Zoom. You won't believe. Even in, I think, live events, people wouldn't have spent so much of time. We express our sincere thanks to Divyam Goyal, EC member, Bangalore, for enabling us to utilize his Zoom Pro account for the event, and Pramod Kumar for hosting the show. We want to thank Aniruddha, Vidyut, Shiva, Utsav, area representatives in Bangalore chapter to help publicizing the event on chapter groups and their individual chapters, social media platforms. And many thanks to Gaurav Shinde, the ever enthused staff member in our central office, for helping us publicize the event chapter mailing list and publicizing the mailing list of both the chapters. Last but not the least, sincere thanks to all the participants for taking time in your busy schedule to join us for this event. The cultural show would not have been possible without your support. Stay safe. Take care, everyone. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Yeah. So can you unmute, Vidyut? Can you unmute everyone now? Just a big round of applause for everyone. Can you unmute everyone now?
The option is enabled for everyone to unmute, but that is something which everyone has to do individually.
Yeah, please unmute yourself, and it's a big round of applause for everyone, for you, for us, all of us. Thanks a lot. I think we had a wonderful audience today, and that's actually helped the performance also to perform better. That's what I feel. So thank you all.
How many people total?
Sorry?
How many people?
Total, I think around 40 people were there initially. Now some people have left.
Yeah.
Now around 40 people, 45 people came. Yeah, initially.
Thanks, Utsav, for all your support. Thanks, Bangalore chapter.
Thank you, Chennai chapter, everyone. Thanks a lot, Smita, Vidyut, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you all.
Yeah.